No, that's okay.
We've got Norfolk, Yorkshire, Lancashire, Sussex. In Lincolnshire's heart, where rivers flow, a quaint town stands, where stories grow. Cogglesford Mill produces stone ground flour, possibly the last sheriff's mill using water for power. Oh yay! Oh yay!
God-fearing citizens of sensational Sleaford.
Britain's first unsinkable lifeboat, designed here and put to the test.
Of freshly caught crabs and fish, we're better to go than to Cromer.
Headquarters of British horse racing, with over 3,000 horses living here.
Greetings from my town of Warwick, with history, colour and flair.
Where art and culture can be seen, lattice swirl in Yorkshire's sea.
Dunmo's famous Flitch trials, held each leap year. God save